Hi, this is Saucy, and today I'm going to show you how to do a slip knot and a basic foundation chain so that you can start thinking about doing some crochet. So the first step we need for any crochet project is a slip knot. So you take the tail of your yarn, your end piece, grab it with your thumb and first finger, and you're going to wrap the yarn around your two fingers, come underneath, pinch it with your thumb, and wrap behind one more time and hold it down there with your ring finger. So you've got two pieces of yarn now, and you're going to take this first piece, kind of pull it over the back one, and grab that one, pull it up, and you have your slip knot. I'm going to show you one more time. So you take the end piece, the yarn, wrap it around both fingers, come underneath, pinch it with your thumb, and this working yarn is going to go behind the first one. And then you're going to grab it with your ring finger and hold it in place. Take this front one, push it back so that you can grab the one that was behind and pull it up. And now you have your slip knot. So that is the first thing that you need for any crochet project. Once you have your slip knot, you're going to pick up your hook and put it on there, and then you can tighten the knot onto the hook. You don't want to go too tight because you should be able to easily move it up and down the hook. And then we're going to hook this yarn over our first finger, and this is where we're going to build our tension as we're crocheting. So I like to take my first finger over here and have the yarn wrapped under it, and then I take these three bottom fingers to kind of hold onto this yarn that's in place. As you first start, your tail is going to be hanging there, and you can just grab that with the hand that's holding the hook and keep it out of the way. So when you have a crochet pattern, a lot of times it will tell you that you need so many chains in your base or foundation chain. So for today, we're going to go with 10 chain stitches. So we do not count the one that's on the hook as a stitch. So our very first stitch is what we're going to make now in our foundation chain. So you're going to go underneath with the hook so that the yarn wraps around. Grab the yarn, slowly turn the hook towards your body a little bit and pull that loop through so that you end up with one chain. And we're going to repeat this process 9 more times. So we're going to go underneath here, grab the yarn, slightly turn the hook, and pull it through that loop. And it should slide pretty easy. If you're having a hard time getting that loop pulled through, then you may have your chain too tight. So we're going to go underneath, grab again, twist the hook and pull through. So we're now at 3 chains. I like to move my thumb up sometimes as I'm going, just to keep a good hold on the chain that's in place. So we're going to go underneath, grab the yarn, pull through. We have 4. Underneath, grab the yarn, pull through. 5. Underneath, grab the yarn, pull through. 6. Underneath, grab the yarn, pull through. 7. Underneath and grab the yarn, pull through. 8. Underneath, grab the yarn, pull through. 9. Underneath, grab the yarn, pull through. 10. So now if you can see, we have 10 little V's for our chains. You can see them. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, the loop that's on the hook does not count as one of your chain stitches. So you now have a line of 10 for your basic foundation chain. And that's how you'll start a project.